Hi, my name is Fergal Hennessy. I'm with the Celtic Warriors. We're a team from Penang. I've been dragging boating for 2 years, and I'm from Ireland originally and living in Penang for the last 7 years. We're having a great time at the competition. Our main goal is to have a great time at the competition, so working out perfectly so far, and looking forward to the rest of the races over the weekend. It's my second time in Sarawak. I really like it. So the first time we came back just after the COVID break. So it's great to be back again and to see the competition bigger and better than before. So having a great time here. So for any locals coming to see the race, I hope you have a great time. There's a great atmosphere here. Come down and enjoy the fun and have a great time too.
Assalamualaikum, saya Muhammad Miza Rasidi selaku Presiden Kelab Sukan Mizanis Dragon Boat daripada KK Kota Kinabalu Sabah. Kami datang ke acara Sarawak Regatta International sudah hampir 9 tahun. Hampir 9 tahun sudah join di event dan kami berharap kejoinan ini dapat memberi lagi pendedahan kepada belia-belia Sabahan, Sarawak dan seluruh Malaysia dan international supaya lebih lagi galakkan diorang bersukan.